Hello, this is Data Up Consulting, and today I will be going over DOMO ETL versus Alteryx ETL. In today's data-driven world, businesses rely heavily on tools like Alteryx and DOMO for their ETL needs, but which one is the right choice for your organization? Let's dive into the pros and cons of both. Starting with Alteryx. Alteryx is a BI tool that allows 80 plus data sources, 300 plus automation blocks. It allows you to automate outputs as email, PDF, and etc. You can build once and automate as long as you need to. There's machine learning models such as sentiment analysis, and there's also access to R, Python, and Jupyter notebooks. Moving on to now the pros of Alteryx. The pros of Alteryx are a comprehensive ETL functionality. Alteryx offers a wide range of tools for extracting, transforming, and loading data, allowing for complex data manipulation and integration tasks. There's also the Visual Workflow Designer. Its intuitive drag and drop interface makes it easy for users to design workflows without needing extensive coding knowledge. Advanced Analytics. Alteryx integrates seamlessly with predictive analytics and machine learning algorithms, enabling deeper data insights and decision making. Now, on to the cons of Alteryx. The cons of Alteryx are its steep learning curve. While the visual interface is user-friendly, mastering its advanced features may require time and training. There's also its desktop dependency. Alteryx primarily operates on desktop machines, which may limit collaboration and scalability in larger organizations. Now, moving on to DOMO. What is DOMO ETL? DOMO ETL allows for users to write custom R or Python scripts for data science analysis. It allows them to use built-in data science actions such as classification, forecasting, and multivariate outliers to build statistical models. You can import custom scripts. You can also refine scripts directly in DOMO without having to switch back and forth between tools. You can use SQL commands for subqueries, advanced joins, and subselects in the ETL, and you are allowed to choose your own indexing and systems tables. Now, onto the pros of DOMO ETL. The pros of DOMO are its cloud-based platform. DOMO operates entirely in the cloud, offering scalability and accessibility without the need for extensive infrastructure. Real-time data insights with DOMO also allows users to access and analyze data in real time, enabling quick decision-making and agility in a rapidly changing business environment. There's also its integration capabilities. DOMO integrates with a wide range of data sources and applications, making it easy to consolidate and visualize data from multiple sources. However, no tool is without its drawbacks. Let's take a closer look at the cons of DOMO. The cons of DOMO are its data security concerns. Since DOMO operates in the cloud, some organizations may have concerns about data security and compliance. Pricing structure is also a con. DOMO's pricing can be complex, and costs may escalate as usage increases, especially for larger datasets and organizations. Ultimately, the choice between Alteryx and DOMO depends on your organization's specific needs, preferences, and priorities. Whether you prioritize advanced ETL functionality or real-time data insights, both Alteryx and DOMO offer powerful solutions to drive your business forward in this data-driven era. Thank you for watching. In the future, I will be going over more in-depth looks at each individual ETL, showing how they work, how to work with them, and the best possible tips I can give for usage of these applications. Again, thank you for watching, and please have a nice day.